Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're ditching malware signatures to decode a hacker's actual playbook. So, how do these advanced threats actually sneak past our layered network defenses? Let's find out. Enter MITRE ATT&CK. It's the industry standard framework, mapping out real-world hacker tactics and techniques. It literally categorizes adversary behavior into 14 distinct enterprise tactics, from initial access to final impact. Every breach starts here. Adversaries silently research your infrastructure, build resources, and probe for entry points. Surprisingly, initial access often isn't some high-tech hack. It's human exploitation, like pretexting or digital tailgating. Once inside, they execute payloads, set up persistent backdoors, and quietly escalate their privileges to admin. Take the Salt Typhoon campaign. They completely hijacked infrastructure by weaponizing unpatched zero-day Cisco vulnerabilities. To roam around freely, they actively evade defenses, steal your credentials, and discover internal network paths. Think MFA keeps you safe? Hackers constantly bypass it, using tricks like prompt fatigue and token hijacking. Next, they pivot laterally across systems, collect sensitive data, and set up encrypted command channels. Finally, the devastating endgame, silently exfiltrating your data, or totally paralyzing systems with ransomware. To prepare, defenders use this matrix to map strict mitigations, like attack surface management, against these behaviors. The real question is, are you just chasing signatures or actually seeing the network through the adversary's eyes?